I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW X5 Battery Easy Guide. Start by parking safely and engaging the parking brake, then open the access panel and remove any covers. Use gloves and goggles for protection and disconnect the negative cable first to avoid sparks. Label cables if needed and inspect terminals for corrosion. When the old battery is out, position the new battery securely, reconnect positive first, then negative. Removing the battery is straightforward with the right approach and some patience. After removing trim panels, unbolt the hold down and lift the battery straight up, keeping it level. Clean the tray and terminals with a mild baking soda solution if you see corrosion, and dry everything thoroughly. Inspect mounting hardware and replace any damaged clips. Take care not to touch both terminals with tools to prevent shorting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: enjoy reading anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for spare moments while tackling car chores. I dropped a link and some deals in the description so you can check it out after this clip. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Installing the new battery goes smoothly when you follow the right sequence and stay calm. Fit the battery into the tray the same way the old one sat, secure the hold down, and reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. Tighten terminals snugly, but avoid over-torquing. Reassemble covers and trim, then reset electronic settings if required. Finish with a short drive to ensure systems relearn and everything works as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.